Hey y'all, this is Joe with the customer experience team here at Rad Power Bikes. It's that time of year again, time to bring yourself and your bike out of hibernation. If your bike is laid dormant over the winter months, keep these things in mind when getting ready for spring riding. First off, let's talk about winter bike storage. Ideally, you want to leave your battery at about 50 to 75% capacity, not completely drained. E-bikes should be stored as close to room temperature as possible in a dry environment. That means leaving your wagon in a shed in the winter is a big no-no. Now let's power up your system, check your battery gauge on your LCD display. If your battery is low, let's charge it back to full capacity. Next, check your tire pressure. Tires naturally lose pressure slowly over time, and during winter months, this happens even more due to temperature fluctuations. Recommended PSI varies between tire models, and you can see the right pressure for your e-bike printed on the sidewall of the tire. Look over your drivetrain. Springtime is a great opportunity to check to see if your chain needs to be cleaned and lubricated. If you can't shift into each gear easily, give our tech team or your local bike shop a call for instructions on a derailleur adjustment. Finally, check to make sure your brakes are providing proper stopping power. If you need to add tension to your cables or adjust your brake calipers, it's much better to check them in your garage rather than going down the first big hill of the season. A quick inspection and a little TLC can make a much more pleasant introduction to the riding season. Use our technical support staff and your local bike shop as a resource for any questions that come up. Ride rad and stay tuned for the next video.